Guys, here's the simplest and the most amazing validation that you'll ever see on YouTube. So first we have a menu. So we're gonna ask a user from just choose from 1 to 4, and if the user doesn't put the right information, then it's gonna validate it. So let's get started. So let's see if a user enters 1A. Let's see if it's working first. Let's see. Let's say 1 is gonna get say you ordered chicken. If you press 2, you ordered beef, 3 vegetables, and 4, of course, it's gonna exit. So what if the user enters 1A? It's gonna say invalid input. Please try again. What about A1? What about 5? Wow, that's amazing. What about 0? Wow, it's working. That's amazing. What if a user press 1, 1? What about 1, 2, 3, 4? What about letters? What about space? Just pure space. Wow, it keeps validating it. And let's see if I press 1, it said you ordered chicken, 2, 3, and we're gonna exit now. 4. Okay. It just skipped and got out of the loop. So let's see. So this what's happening, guys. First we have a menu. And here's my menu, my method menu, and it has all the prompt that the user will have to use. Now the menu is asked and it's gonna choose from 1 to 4, and then we're gonna store the information to a string. The reason why I use string is because I want all the user input to be captured and stored in input. And here I use a scanner and I name it in. You need a scanner if you want user inputs to be stored. And I just use next line because I want the whole line of the user's input to be stored again on input. And here I have a while loop. So it says, don't forget this exclamation mark, and it says input is not equals to 4. That means if it's not if it's not 4, then just go inside this loop. Otherwise, if it's 4, then exit right away. And we don't need this. I mean, we don't need this, my bad. So I forgot about that. So here is the validation. So if the user enters 1 from input, it's gonna say you ordered chicken. If it's 2, you're gonna say ordered beef. 3, you ordered vegetables. And if we enter space, 1A, A1, or anything that's not 1, 2, 3, 4, it's gonna go to else statement and it's gonna say invalid input. Please try again. And after it validates, it's gonna ask the menu again and store a new information. And if the input is anything but 4, then this new input information will go here and it's gonna validate it. So if it's not 4, then go inside this loop again. Otherwise, if the user enters 4, then it's gonna go to this loop and it's gonna stop right here and it's gonna jump to the next line, and there's nothing in the next line, so it's gonna exit this loop and the system is over. So there we go. This is the simplest um, validation that you'll ever see on YouTube. Thank you so much.